Friends, hope you are doing great. I am back to give you dose of useful information. Today I am going to uncover the details on the introduction of the Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO is an open source microcontroller board based on microchip at Mega 328P. As you can see, here it is written. The board is equipped with the sets of digital and analog inputs/outputs pins that may be interfaced various expansion board and other circuits. Open source electronic prototyping platform enabling users to create interactive electronic objects. Electronic devices are becoming compact, flexible, and cheap that are capable of doing more functions as compared to other ones, that happen to cover more space, turned out costly with the ability to perform fewer function. Arduino UNO is very valuable addition in the electronics that consists of USB interface, 14 digital input/output pins, 6 analog input/output pins, and power pins. It also supports serial communication using RX-TX. It supports 7 to 5 voltage of input voltage. You can power it up from serial cable or with a DC adapter, which output should be 7 to 12 volts. And also here it has a V input pin in which you can power it up with the 7 to 12 volt of input voltage. And this board provides us 3.3 volt to 5 volt output voltage to power all the sensory feedbacks and all. It is an open source platform, means the boards and software are readily available and anyone can modify and optimize the boards for the better functionality. The software used for the Arduino devices is called IDE, Integrated Development Environment, which is free to use and required some basic skills to learn it. It can be programmed using C and C++ language. After writing few lines of codes, we have to upload the codes. Before that, we have to select the Arduino board and also the port in which we are going to interface with the Arduino USB, that is COM16, and then hit upload button. It will pop up for the save button, and here as you can see the compiling sketch, and after a few seconds uploading the code is done and it says thank you. And here you can see the LED is turning on and off after delay of 1000 milliseconds and again turning on after 2000 milliseconds, which is equal to 1 second and 2 seconds. I hope this information was very helpful to you guys, and if you like this video, please hit the button for the subscribe and like and share with your friends. In future I will be providing all the basic information about robotics.